shadows are longer in the early morning and in the late afternoon. All right.
You did that.
Oh, yeah, this my words is coming up whenever. In the late afternoon, when the sun is okay. Yeah, so this is all over the. Hold on, let me see something. Right. Wow, this is all right. Hopefully it pops up a little bit better. Great. We're just gonna do a little something like this. All right. Um. Okay. The orientation or the direction of the shadow shows the morning of the day, and when the shadow is points towards the north, it is around east. Um. Wow. Okay. All right. My first tech issue for today, and that's all right because now I'm confused. Great. We're gonna go ahead and keep it moving. All right. We already answered that. We already answered that. We already answered that. Great. All right. What would you see at 4 p.m.? This is a little bit challenging. Go ahead and chat me A, B, C, or D. What would you see at 4 p.m.?
Yeah, I think you should be good.
Okay. Okay. Got some answers from Kaylin, Harlem, waiting for a few more responses. Ajaya, okay. I got a lot of people that saying C. I got some D's. I got B from thank you, Ashley. Thank you, Azari. Thank you, Layla. All right. Thank you, Demel. Okay. So our answer is actually D. Shout out to Demel. Shout out to Layla. Shout out to everybody who also gets a different answer. But it is D because it will be at 4 p.m. Where will the sun be in the east? We're gonna be able to see. We're gonna go back to the sun tracker again, because I feel like y'all didn't really get a chance to see the sun tracker, and then we're gonna revisit some of these questions. Oh, this one should be easy. At what time would you see shadow A above, and why? All right. So when the clock is at 12, that's when the sun is right above us. Okay. So that's why the shadow is gonna be at its shortest point. All right. So now we've had a chance to kind of review this shadows. We're gonna go back and revisit this because honestly, it wasn't fair to y'all, and I was having a little bit of technical difficulties, but that's okay. So now I have time for a prediction. All right. And in order to make this prediction right, I want to know what causes day and night. And for this, I just want somebody to raise their hand, a brave hand, and we're going to take a prediction on what causes day and night. If I just ask you to unmute yourself, you got the things on your wrist. Yes, go ahead, unmute yourself, mama.
I think what causes day and night is when the Earth rotates. So, like when it's rotating around the sun, it's day, and when it's rotating around the moon, it's night.
When it rotates around the moon. You know, that's my favorite thing. Can you see the moon during the daytime? Who thinks that they can see the moon during the daytime? Who thinks they cannot see the moon during the daytime? Okay. Got Newkirk. Okay. Layla, talk to me. You said a little. Can you unmute yourself? Go ahead, mama.
It's like you can't really see the moon, but if you look really closely, when the sun is about to rise, you can see the moon a little.
Oh, thank you. So that leads us to our first, to getting out our first error. Okay. Who's the person to help me out this first one? I'm sorry, I can't see your name on here because I'm sharing my screen. The lady who made the first prediction. What's your name? Samaya? Kaylin Jones. Got you. All right. Kaylin said, when the Earth rotates around. All right. And then you said, can you see the moon during the day? So if you can see the moon during the daytime, is the Earth rotating around the moon? Is the moon causing night? Demel, I see you shaking your head. Go ahead, unmute yourself. Talk to me.
So I had a prediction too.
Okay, let me hear your prediction.
Maybe gravity's pulling both the sun and the moon.
Gravity is pulling both the sun and the moon. Okay, so we're gonna learn a little bit about that. All right. Great. And is there anything else that we want to add on our predictions about what causes day and night? All right, Harlem, go ahead. We can't hear you. We can't hear you, Harlem.
Oh.
Go ahead.
So I think what causes day and night is when the Earth rotates around the sun.
Okay. When the Earth rotates around the sun. All right, great. So we got some good predictions here. So we're going to see which one is the closest, all right? And then we're going to have somebody explain it a little bit, all right? But I want to make sure that we know this going forward, all right? I want us to pay attention when we watch the video to see if the moon causes us, causes night, all right? So we kind of, so what is day and what causes it? What is day and what causes it? This young lady with the blue background, it's like some blue lights on her thing, and she just raised her hand. What is day and what causes it? Go ahead. Okay. The sun causes day. All right. So, okay. And what's your name? Ariana. All right. The sun causes day. Okay. Does anybody have a different opinion? All right, cool. And let's keep going. What is night and what causes it?